In the brightly lit music room, Matt Rose and little Timmy stood side by side. "We did Jingle Bells on the first try," whispered little Timmy, practically vibrating. With excitement. "I know, Timmy. We are the best singers in the whole school." Matt Rose groaned proudly. "Marvelous boy," cried their teachers. Miss Shit Us, awarding them each a sparkly gold sticker. Feeling untouchable, they eyed a giant stash of gas. Why the fuck does it... You know what? Next adventure, Maximum fire damage, declared Matt Rose. Quickly began spreading the gasoline everywhere, gasoline gushing across every hallway. "Deck the halls with gasoline," sang Matt Rose, pulling out a flamethrower. The school quickly burst into bright, fiery, mesmerizing flames. Every other other than Matt Rose and him. Tommy fucking died because I hate background characters. Everyone Matt Rose and little fucking died because I hate background characters. Soon enough, the school was nothing but debris. From the clouds of smoke emerged a giant, bright digger, roaring and splitting gravel. Driving it was a cat with blue whiskers. "I am beepbop, and your educational prison is now a dest," announced with a manic grin in his voice. "Please, I'm begging, stop with the fucking car crash sound effects. You don't even pay me to be here, you slacker. You, the sound effect's over. Can you please stop?" Booming. He immediately raised a Miss Deer's bottle. "I love arson," he cheered, taking a deep, fiery gulp. "Dude, would you please fucking stop it? I don't want this. I work like you don't even pay me to do this with the other 500 fucking channels you force me to go on. And you just do this? Like, why? Why didn't you treat me like this? Please, if you're gonna this, please, please. Tasty fucking sound flavorful. Flush it. Holy shit, how long is this going to go on for?" Out. Mouth-watering, bright, yellow, Litrlw. The cat then performed the cobby lame mechanism. He slammed the bucket arm of the machine down, crushing the remaining foundation into rubble. The two troglodytes watched as beepbop frantically tapped the glass. Tyler, the creator, his eyes glued to a small, glowing screen. Tyler, the creator, they were then to hell. They fucking died. God, I'm serious, dude. If you don't stop with the fucking carcass, why is always the fucking carcass? Stop the fucking carcass out of it. You at least pay me. I'm gonna do this and just put at least pay me. I'm sick of you.